Markets brace for Iran's response after US attacks. It's Monday, the 23rd of June, and this is what you need to know. Traders are on edge at the start of the week after unprecedented US airstrikes on Iran. President Trump's decision to deploy bunker-busting bombs onto Iranian nuclear sites have pushed tensions into uncharted territory. Iran said the country has all options to respond and said that US military bases in the region could be targeted. Trump has vowed to meet any retaliation with far greater force and has even floated the idea of a regime change in Iran. Our chart of the day today is oil. Prices jumped to their highest since January, rising almost 6% at the start of trading. Any move by Iran to close the Strait of Hormuz, a major shipping lane, has increased worries about the potential of further energy spikes. Goldman Sachs said that Brent prices could spike at $110 per barrel. That's if oil flows through the strait were halved for a month. Our number of the day today is 5%. That's the percentage of GDP that NATO members will pledge to spend at their summit this week. European allies are worried about the US presence in the region with a possible reduction of 20,000 troops. President Trump has warned European capitals that they need to take more charge of their defense despite the growing threat from Russia. Apple has held internal discussions about a potential deal for AI startup Perplexity, according to Bloomberg News. The talks are said to be at an early stage and may not lead to a deal. The offer would help Apple develop its own AI-based search engine, a requirement after the potential loss of the browser arrangement with Google. Perplexity recently completed an investment round valued at around $14 billion that would mark Apple's biggest acquisition in history. Monday brings the first release of business activity in the US for June. Manufacturing activity picked up a bit last month following a trade truce between China and Washington, but the report did warn of a re-acceleration in inflation in the coming months. Analysts polled by Reuters expect the figure to dip slightly to 51.2 from 52.0 previously. And that's what you need to know this morning.